Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 156 Regent Avenue, Unit 2R, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Heat, hot water is included. Got your living room area here. Big windows, plenty of natural light. Hardwood flooring, high ceilings. Make our way into the kitchen area here. You get vinyl plank flooring. Plenty of cabinet countertop space. Another entrance there. Your stove, refrigerator, more cabinet space. To my right, you got bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. Across the hall, we got bedroom number 2. Also big enough for a queen set, possibly a king. Then we got full-size bathroom here, shower, tub, and vanity. I'd like to apply for 156 Regent Avenue, Unit 2R, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.